Guys, it's Dan with Avant Novus. I'm standing outside the new Avant Novus maker shed. As you can see, it is a little frosty where we're at. Drew actually built this by hand. No plans, he just built it. Because Drew does all the things. Alright, here we go. It's me. And it's a Drew! Hey, bud.
How's it going?
Good, welcome to the shed. Makerspace, shed, place.
The Avant Novus Makerspace, where we get to make all the things.
Sweet. Ooh, breaker box. Haven't seen that yet. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is where we're going to do a lot of our work from now on. Here's one of our, this is the Chiron?
Yep, this is the Anycubic Chiron. And we've had it for about a year now, and it's a wonderful machine, and we love to do work on it.
How long's this print been going?
This print's been going since about 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Jeez, that's fast.
We've made some adjustments to its speeds and tuned it real well, so it's been performing real nice lately.
We're recording about 8 o'clock, so that's, 6 hours.
Yeah, 6
that's
hours.
Amazing. We have our laser printer here. What's this one?
So this is just a cheap Chinese-made K40 laser engraver. And we're in the process of refitting it with an upgraded table, some air assist, and some better ventilation so that it's safe out here in our shop.
Yeah, because Dan can only take too many hits of something. This is Zoidberg.
This is a Geetech. It's a i3 knockoff with an acrylic frame that we've been playing with some dual extruders. We're actually going to take this at a later date and modify it onto a bigger frame so it's more useful. And then we have
the highly modified.
This is the highly modified XYZ Da Vinci 1.0. This is the first 3D printer we had in use, and has a little bit of a learning curve to it that was not easy. But since then, it's not set up for use, so it's been used as storage right now. But we've completely reprogrammed, refirmwared, and replaced 2/3 of it to turn it into a useful device.
And then up here we have yield. What do we call this?
This is the loft.
The dead body storage?
Oh, well, This is the loft. We're going to send the kids up there to play so they don't bother us while we're working.
So, since this is one of our first maker videos, Drew, how'd you make this place?
I built this place with my 2 boys and my father. Thankfully, he took pity on us. We built it over the last 6 months, and it's taken us that long to get this far, just with all the issues in the world.
Yeah, the forbidden word we can't say on YouTube.
And life. I work full time, and then any spare time we get, we Avant Novus everything. So from here, we're going to do a lot of cable. We're going to do a lot of our maker videos, any 3D printing. What you don't see in here is we actually have a plotter as well, a large landscape plotter.
Where are we going to put that?
It might go somewhere else.
Put it in the loft.
It won't fit.
You've already tried.
So, we do have a plotter so we can print out any of the maps Dan makes at full scale.
We could put it right there, except, yeah, well, would it be too close to the heating vent?
It'll be really close to the heat vent. Technically it will fit, but then you can't get into the Da Vinci.
Well, that's not too bad. I mean,
I know, it's not worth that much anyway, so it might not be an issue. So we're still working out placement and where we're putting everything in here, but we've got
filament,
a stash of filament. We have a vinyl cutting machine for different vinyl cutting and appliques, airbrush equipment for painting these models after we make them.
And we're going to unbox this here in a second.
And yeah, this is the latest and greatest upgrade and toy. And this is the Mosaic Palette 2S Pro.
Ooh.
So what this is a multi-filament splicing device. So you can line up 4 different colors of filament or types of filament, and it will cut and splice them into a single extruder machine, like the Chiron.
And yes, we will be making 3D maps of that using ArtRage and the ability to extract height map off ArtRage. I might do another video entirely on that.
Yeah, so we'll take anything that Dan makes, whether it's a 3D model or a 3D map, and we'll produce it here in the shed.
Because something we really would think that's neat is if we were able to take like the artwork from the Avant Novus community. Or you take it, okay. The Avant Novus community, extract the height maps off that. That's probably just going to be all chin from the last. Looks like a Tribble talking to us. From our Avant Novus community, we've got some friends that work with ArtRage. We'll take their maps, create a 3D file for them so they can print it off on Shapeways, other cool little things like that. So, yeah, fun stuff. Okay, let's take that back. Woo! Yeah, this is kind of first time filming on this camera, so forgive me, kind of. All right, we'll end it there. Take care.